Bramble is a loner. However, she acts more like a leader than any other cat she knows. She is always on the move, and almost always goes hunting when possible. Hunting is her favorite thing to do. I will post later showing how she has grown over the years.
There will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. There will come a poet whose weapon is his word. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, O Lord. There will come a ruler whose brow is bleeding born. Spear the boy like David's boy. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. Spear the boy like David's boy. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay.
This is your ATM?
Yarp.
But you don't have a bank account.
Norp.
Well, then how'd you get an ATM card?
I don't have an ATM card.
Well, then how are you getting money out of an ATM machine?
The tones.
The tones?
The tones.
Okay, we keep saying the tones, but I still have no idea what the tones means.
Push the buttons. See? Every time you press one of those number buttons, you can hear a beep.
And this is big news there in your bunny brain?
Well, yeah, 'cause I started thinking of that old song, take me down to the basement, fill the buckets with cheese. I started wondering if I could play that song with these number buttons. See? Take me down to the basement, fill the buckets with cheese. See? $400.
つまりは好奇心にとらわれてたんだ。大切なものなら壊したんだ。明かりの灯らないホールケーキ、木製の君と踊ってたんだ。クローゼットで待った今日も小さな体割れてたんだ。大切なものなら壊したんだ。明かりの灯らないホールケーキ、木製の君と踊ってたんだ。クローゼット
So today, cause baby, you were born this way. No matter gay, straight or bi, lesbian, transgender life, I'm on the right track, baby, I was born to survive.
I'm a motherfucker gentleman.
Meet Leaf Hop. She is an explorer even though in her family it is not allowed. She likes to stay hidden and away from other cats. But if she does run into another cat, she is very confident towards them. She sneaks out when her parents don't know. Her siblings are the only ones who know that she leaves. She told her siblings that she will bring them back something every time she leaves, and this is where she is now.